thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of East Detroit and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near East Detroit and North Prairie around 4:20 p.m. Potter Lake around 4:30 p.m. Markwanago around 4:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.